Guys, today we're playing car driving Indonesia. Oh yeah, and it seems like I'm the only one here. Oh yeah, by the way, look at the map. Wow. Looks like I'm the only one here in the map. And I'm going to show you the newly bought Tacoma Pravia. Yeah, look at this. I got a road rack already and already modified it. Oh yeah, let's go to yeah, I think let's go to Palimanan. Oh yeah, and guys, let's have a stopover at this gas station. Yeah, let's have a stopover at this gas station. Yeah, we're gonna buy some food. Yeah, some for the entire road trip. Yes, look at that. Anyone wanna go to the toilet? Oh yeah, just go there, and you will 91%. No need for refueling. Yeah, I'm just going to park my car here. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. So, yeah. Oh, that was unexpected. Take shorter than I thought. Oh yeah, let's bring the car. Yeah, let's go to the Alphamart, I think. Bellamart. Yes. Alphamart is called Bellamart here. Oh yes. Let's go to Bellamart. Yeah. Why didn't just park here? Yeah. Couldn't have gone that way. Oh yeah. But anyways, let's buy it. Oh yeah, let's buy some chips. Lace. Yeah, and some more too. Oh yeah, let's go back to the car. So oh yes, after a long walk, I'm back at the car. Yeah, driver's seat right here. Click it. Yeah, and let's continue on our road trip. Yes, we're near. We're near. Yung Palimanan. Yeah, it means we're near. Yeah, it means we're near. We're near the exit. Yeah, I'm going to stop over there because to see the towns. Yeah, town by my house. Oh, yes, the Palimanan exit. Oh yeah, I'm so confused where the exit to Cirebon is. Oh yeah, I ended right there and I exit right there. Just right yeah, let's have a U-turn. Yeah, U-turn sign right there. There's a store over there that says 5. I think that the Subaru. Wait, why it says CD? Why does it say CGID cement? That's Subaru logo. Look at it. Just look at it. Oh yeah. We just crossed the line. Oh, your car! Why didn't you brake? We crossed the line, great. Oh yeah, we're gonna go because we crossed the line. Oh yes, cars can get there. There's a car wash over there. Oh yeah, let's go to the town. Gonna claim my house. Oh yeah, gonna claim the house. Right there. Yeah, yeah, that's the house. Yeah. Yeah, it's a plane. I don't know why it's a plane because I'm the only one in. Yeah, the only one in here. Yeah, the only one in this map. Yeah, I'm gonna claim the house. Oh yeah, why are the lights? Why is the house dark even though it's morning? Yeah, Roblox, tell me the physics, please. Yeah, on the light. Just on over the lights in the house because it's morning. Oh yeah, on the lights. On all the lights in the house. Oh yeah, at least there's a light here. On the light in the bathroom. What's the light out of the bathroom? What's the light out of the bathroom? On the light. Yes. Oh yeah. Of course, we'll have a chit chat here. We're gonna have a chat here in this table. Oh yeah. We're gonna have to stop over right here. Oh yeah. Anyways, continue on. Yeah, let's go to Sirbon. So. Oh yes, finally guys, we're in the exit. Oh yeah. Yeah, Sirbon. Coastal city. Oh yeah, let's go to the beach. Yeah, I'm gonna park the car outside the road to the beach because the cars can get. Yes, look at this. So much acceleration in my car. Yep, so yeah. Look at the view. Wow. The field. Look at the field and the tanker. Tanker. Luckily the train shelter with this train tracks. Never mind, cross the red line. Don't do that green light. Don't cross the red line. And let's go right outside. Who should I park my car? Park my car right here. Yeah, just in case we don't. Yeah, and that dirt is permanent until we get to Jakarta, which is after this piece. Yeah. By the way, we're not going to go to Jakarta. The next video we're in Jakarta now, and the car is clean. Oh yeah, look at that. Why is the reverse light still on when I did park the car, turn it off? Oh, yes, we just to rent the house. Yes, a free house, a free vacation house. Yeah, and there's a TV right here. Oh, yeah, we're gonna sit right here. Yeah. By the way, let's enjoy the beach. Let's enjoy the beach. Yeah, let's swim. Whee! Yeah, visit the rocks. Oh no, it's turning sunset. That means I can only have a few minutes on beach. And I end in the video after a few minutes. Yeah. Look at that. Wow, look at that rock. Becoming an island when the tide is low. Oh yeah, and this ship and this boat sank. Let's go. Um, Look at this boat. Why they're sinking when there's literally solid likelihood. Why they sink? Oh yeah, they're traps. Oh, why is there a monkey over there? Oh, yeah, never mind. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next video. Goodbye.